Welcome to this week's Picture News Global. This is an additional news story based on current affairs around the world to support children with building a better global understanding. In today's story, we're going to be delving into things to do with politics and democracy, which can help children understand the importance of voice. So, without further ado, let's have a look at what's happening in the news this week. Let's have a look at this week's poster. What can you see? How does this picture make you feel and why? Who is this person? Do you know where this is? What questions do you have? This week's big question is, what does it mean to be the first to do something? Let's have a look at this week's story. Sanae Takaichi has made history as Japan's first female prime minister. She has become leader at age 64. At a time when prices are rising and many people want change. Known for her strong views, she is sometimes called Japan's Iron Lady. Takaichi says she wants to rebuild people's trust in the government. Her win is a big moment in Japan's history, and many are watching to see what she will do next. Let's have a look at our feelings chart. How does it make you feel? Does it make you feel happy that perhaps the first female prime minister has been voted in to Japan? Does it make you feel shocked, perhaps to hear the news for the first time? This week's story looks at events related to Japan, which is an island far in the east. Here are some of the things you could do. Have a look at Sanae Takaichi's biography. Let's talk about it. What does it mean to be the first to do something? Have a talk as a class. How might seeing a woman lead a country inspire others? What kinds of changes can a leader bring to their country? What kinds of challenges do you think Sanae Takaichi might feel in her new role? Do you think it's easy or hard to be the first person to break a tradition? Why? Let's do something about it. All around the world, people have been accomplishing tremendous feats, whether it's climbing the world's tallest mountain for the first time or, just like this, being voted as the first female prime minister. You could design a poster about one of those people. Talk about who they are and what they did, why their achievement matters, how they inspire others to keep going. You can include photos, colour and write captions inside your poster to further describe what you've shown. Let's reflect. When someone is the first to achieve something, it can inspire others to dream big. It shows that change often starts with one brave step forward. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this week's Global News Story. We're on a mission to showcase the news to children around the world through our current affairs stories. If you haven't yet already, please take the time to subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out, and we're very grateful for your time and attention. I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.